Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix AMD error 195. The error message is, oops, something went wrong, error 195. AMD installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So to fix this issue, here follow these steps. What you have to do, you have to search for the previous drivers. So type AMD whatever version of your graphic card driver is, and then type previous drivers, and from the search result click on the previous driver link. It will open the AMD official website. Now here what you have to do, you have to select the older version, but not the very old version, just the previous driver version, and click on download. Now once this executable file gets downloaded, double click to run this executable files. Click yes to allow. And while installing the AMD graphics, in install type select driver only and then click on install. And once the installation completes, error 195 will be gone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.